Okay, now parent child. For example, if you see div class form group and input ID username. It means parent child means what?
Yeah.
For example, this is the parent and this is the child. This is the
Yeah.
input is the child of this div. This input
Yeah.
is the child of this div. And this div is the
Then
parent of this input box.
the input.
For this div, this is the parent. For this, this is the parent. For this div is the parent. And for this div, what is
Yeah.
the parent? For this div, what is the parent? This is the parent. If you see, it is
Yeah.
right. For this div, this is the parent. And for this
Yeah.
is the parent. So it means this is
Yeah.
end of this. And this is the child
Yeah.
parent. So like that also we can give, right? To identify
Yeah.
object, to identify, for example, you went to some village and
Yeah.
you are trying to find a one person, right? Whatever the reason.
Yeah.
You know the name, for example, you told the Srinivas.
Yeah.
You want to meet the Srinivas. So, but you don't know the address of the. So when you say and when you go and ask someone in the village, they will say, okay, there is many Srinivases. Which Srinivas you
Yeah.
which Srinivas you want, right? Then you will tell that,
Yeah.
okay, his father name is something, something. His mother name is something,
Yeah.
you will tell, na? So with parent name also, you can find the children. In the same way,
Yeah.
with children name also, you can find the parent. For example, your
Yeah.
daughter name. With your daughter's friends are there, na? Their parents will come to you with your daughter name. Oh, okay, you are the
Yeah.
mother of this daughter. Something like that.
Yeah.
So anyway, both the ways, either ways we can find an object. Either ways we can find a
Yeah.
person. So like that here,
Yeah.
the parent and child relationship, right?
Yeah.
Can you write that?
Yeah.
Can you write
How
that?
we can write in the playwright that thing?
Yeah, I will tell you. So how can you write that means like this? For example, this is the X path, right? This is the X path. This is the
Yeah.
one of the X path.
Yeah.
For example, this is the div is there. Under this div, this is the input box is there. Under this div,
Yeah.
the input box is there. So it means first you have to write this div and slash and this input box and input box.
Yeah.
That's it. For example, I will write here. I will write here. Okay. See, what is this? This is the input box, right? This input box is
Yeah.
under the this div. For this div,
Yeah. Got
this is
it.
the class name. This is the class name. This is the class.
Yeah. Got it.
I will give this is the class name here. So when I write this class name and given input, so then what is happening for this parent, okay, for example, what is that parent also? Let's see. See, okay, see, the problem is here. This parent, this name have many parents. This is also again problem.
Yeah.
This is also again
Yeah.
problem, right? For this, for example, this parent have same class name and this parent also same class name. Otherwise, you can find out another option in this. There is no other property for this, no? No, there is a problem. So that is why
Yeah.
if you give this, for example, input, if you give this input, there is two are there. One is this,
Yeah.
another one is this. So now it is not
Yeah.
unique. It is not unique. You cannot identify an object like this, unique object. When you identify this unique object like this is, if you want to find that exactly unique means, for example, here again you have to give input,
Placeholder.
input at the rate, placeholder or whatever,
Placeholder.
ID
Yeah.
and ID username. ID
Yeah.
is equal to username.
Username.
See, now this is identified. So with parent
Yeah.
child also you can find it. But for this,
Then
without this also
we
you
will
can
write
find.
here page dot locator.
Page dot locator is that is the same now. So if you go to here,
Yeah. Can you run this one?
yeah, we'll go here. Okay, we'll go this. So I'll just copy this. Just copy this. Okay, now here, what is the locator here? This is the locator we are written. So this locator
Yeah.
directly you can write there. Instead of this locator, you can write this. This is also input box. You are filling that, John.
Yeah.
Now you will feel something different. Okay. I am not John.
Yeah.
You can mention. He is John, so I don't want John. Right? Like this also
Yeah.
you can do that. Got it? You
Yeah.
want to run and check? No, right?
Please run.
Oh yeah. Yeah, sure.
Just run.
We'll run and see. Save. Save. I will comment this first one. Okay. We'll comment this first.
Yeah.
And second one we are running. Okay. For that second one, we'll just refresh. Export.spec. It is open.
Yeah.
Demoqa.com. It is open and it should enter the name.
It's identified that locator.
Yeah, it is identified. I am
Listen,
not
locator.
John. You saw that? I am not
Yeah.
John. It is entered.
Yeah.
I am not John.
Yeah.
That's it. It will just closed it. It is entered. I am not John, and it is closed it. Simple.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay. Let's go to something else again. Okay. This is what parent child also you can do. And following
Yeah.
sibling. Following and sibling. Sibling means you if you have your brother or sister, right? They are siblings to
Yeah.
you, and you are sibling to your
Yeah.
brother or sister. Same thing like that.
Yeah.
For example, in this, for example, under this div, there is a two divs are there again. These two are siblings.
They're siblings.
These two are
Yes.
siblings. And for example,
Siblings.
again, these two are siblings. These two are
Yes.
siblings. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all siblings.
Five.
These are all
Yes.
siblings like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So like that, if it is first label is equal to full name, after that input ID is equal to username. For example, if you see,
Yeah.
this is the full name is there now. This is the full name. This is the label is equal to full name. This label, for example, is
Yeah.
the full name. And
Yeah.
what it is saying, label is equal to full name, and input ID box is equal to username. In this, input ID box is equal to username. Where is that? Where is that username? Is here, I guess. Yeah, this is the username. So it means these two are also we can make it as a siblings. These two are also
Yeah.
as a siblings. For example, if you see, this is the one they are given. No? You can try this. Label text is equal to full name is there. It's not there, no? This is not there.
Yeah. It's the
Hmm.
class actually. Yeah. Label.
Okay.
It's not label. It's a class, isn't it?
It is this one. This is the tag name. Tag name is
Yeah.
label.
Label.
Label
Yeah.
of text is equal to full name. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
/ following sibling means after this sibling. Following this
Mm.
after this sibling of input. It should be like this actually. It should identify this.
Input. Yeah. Input.
Identify this. Following sibling, it should identify this. Okay. Let me
Yeah.
first this one, whether it is identifying or not. Yeah, it is identified. Then
Yes.
Then
Then following siblings is the
define
input.
the following sibling.
Input.
Following sibling. And here
Input.
colons, double time, 2 times colon. It is always 2
Okay.
times colon. Okay, you have to remember. What is that
Yeah.
here? There is a 2 times colon is there. And
Yeah.
after that, it is input. It is input. It's not identifying. Following sibling.
Input ID.
We'll try. You are right. Input
Input at ID is equal
at
to
the rate
username.
ID
Input square at the
is
rate ID is equal to username.
username. This way also we can try. Following sibling label text is equal to full name. Following sibling ID is equal to input. Input is right. Yeah, input at the rate ID is equal to username.
Yeah.
Thing is wrong. Okay, we'll check it again tomorrow. This one. Following
Yeah.
sibling, some other examples I will take it also. But that is the concept. Why it is not working? Let's check. But that is the concept. Okay. Following sibling. Following sibling. Another example also I can tell you 1 second. If there is anything here, I copied here. Following sibling. Export. Yes, following. Okay, might be double slash is missing. It is double slash.
Or do we need double slash?
Yeah. That is what it is, I guess.
Last time we used double slash for parent.
Still it's not working. Okay. Here I will. And this one also I told you that, right? Star also you can give. Star means any tagger, it means. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is text we are okay. Instead of text, what we will try. Okay. But this is identifying. Anyway, this object is identifying and following. Okay. Following is different. Following sibling is different actually. Okay. Yeah. Following is different. Following sibling is different. So if you do the
Yeah.
following, it is coming this. If you are doing the following, you understand?
Yeah.
If you are doing
Yeah.
following, it is coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what. That is a following actually. But following sibling, let's try 1 second. Following sibling. There is a following and a ancestor also there. Following and
Yeah.
ancestors. Those are also we will discuss. And preceding is there. Following sibling also there. Yeah. Let me try. Following sibling and input. But looks the correct only. Might be following sibling sometimes not working. So
Yeah.
select the following. Okay, I will just copy this and I will show you.
Yeah.
Sibling, following sibling, following sibling, following sibling. See, select the following sibling of the context node. Siblings are at the same level of the current node as shown in the below screen. If it will find the element after the current node. It will
Yeah.
it will be in the current node only. Yeah, if it is in the current node only, it will take it. Following sibling. Okay.
Yeah.
If it is in the current node, for example, in the same node, if there is there any two items? But these are all same name is there. That is the problem here. There is no two items with that. There is no two items with that actually. So the point is here, for example, under the same, if there is another sibling also there, that is called the following sibling. Okay. So following
Yeah.
is, it is going to the next one sibling. That is what the following and
Yeah.
following. And another one is parent traversing. Parent traversing also there. So this is, for example, this is the parent. This is the like child, right? For this,
Mm-mm.
we can write input of ID is equal to username and returns the parent div. It means if you want to find the parent with the child, right? I told. If you want
Yeah.
to find the parent with the child, so this is the one sample. This is the one sample.
Yeah.
And a few more also there. Following is separate and sibling is separate. Following and sibling. SABLH. Sibling and one more preceding PRECEEDING preceding Okay. And one more is
Hmm.
child.
Child
Child and
in
ancestor.
the bag. Coach in the back.
Child ancestor. So these are all tomorrow we will discuss actually. So there is
Yeah.
few more things are there. We'll discuss tomorrow. And this following sibling also some example I will try to find out. And anything else?
Yeah.
Pay.
Then do we need then we need to we need to find which one we need to use it. Identify everything or one
Yeah,
by one
no.
locate.
You don't need to identify everything. You don't need to identify everything. See, normally in real-time projects, people use the XPaths. Normally, people
Mm-mm.
use the XPaths, but that is not the correct way. Because
Mm-mm.
if you are using XPath always, uh,
Mm-mm.
Playwright is suggesting you to first try to use the which locator? Role. Get by role
Mm-mm.
locator you have to use. If you are not able to
Mm-mm.
find that, then only you go to the XPath, or then only you go to the CSS selector. So first you should be in the order. Did you understand why these stars are there in this? Did you understand that day I
Yeah.
explained, na? Why these stars are there?
We can.
Recommendation. This is the recommendation. First you try to use the get by role. After that,
Okay.
get by label. Right? These are the recommendation. Get by test ID.
Mm-mm.
So normally what will happen?
Mm-mm.
Sometimes if we are not able to identify objects, we will ask the developers to give the test ID for all the elements. That is just for the testing,
Mm-mm.
automation testing purpose also, we can ask them to add it. But that's the worst case.
Mm-mm.
That's the worst case. So we will ask them to add that one unique test ID for all the elements. If they are able to add it, it is
Mm-mm.
very easy to us. All we can give that test ID and we can test it. But they won't do all the time. And then if you go to other options also there. Tomorrow we will see this nth, this first, this last, this filter also. We will see that. These are all specific
Mm-mm.
to the playwright only. Selenium, we don't have this. Nth, first, last, and filter and all. Has next, has. So if you remember has next and all in the Java, we have this concept. Has also we have concept.
Yeah.
Okay, and frames.
Yeah.
There is a frames are there. How to identify objects for the frames and chaining locators. Frame means if you see here,
Yeah.
the frame, did you observe? Yeah, this is called the iframes. If you see this
Yeah.
iframe, this is called the iframe. So for iframes also, it is something you need to identify. How to identify iframes also you need to know. You need to
Yeah.
know that how to identify objects in the iframes. So those are all things we will discuss tomorrow. Got it?
Yeah. Then after we learned all the things, we need to try to use everything, or when we are writing program, or we need to use some of them.
Some of them only we will use. You try to use always get by role. If you are not able to
Huh?
find the get by role, you try to use this locator with the export or something. Whatever comfortable you can use, first point. Second point,
Yeah.
whatever like unique that you can use. Whatever the unique you can.
Yeah, but sometimes get by role, it's taking time out error.
Yeah, then you can take the another one. ID. Directly you can go. For example, if you see here in the locator, here, right? Where is that? Yeah, this is the common role.
Mm-mm.
Get by locator. Where it is? I written, na? For just locator, I given some options. What are all those options? These are the role names. These are the role names. CSS selector. Somewhere I added, but it's not showing here. Okay. I think in this, yeah, in this we are added that. If you remember, locator, yeah. In this locator, if you see, just directly go and add ID, page.locator and ID. That's it. Page.locator and ID. But classes is very risky because if you observe here, there is a many objects with the same class. Did you observe? For example, here,
Yeah,
this is also having same class. This is also having same class.
same
See,
class.
it is entirely same. It is entirely same.
Yeah,
If you see, this is same, and this is also same.
yeah, Yeah.
9 means 9. Same 9 is there. And this is same.
Yeah.
And this is same. So class is very risky. Don't use class.
Yeah.
Right? But if you can use
Got it.
name or ID or CSS also very better. And first to get my role like that. Okay, that's it for
Yeah.
today. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you send me? Can you do repository also? Commit also?
Yeah, commit actually the problem is I was not able to commit yesterday because this is another project I created. Na? This is another project.
Yeah.
This is the P2, PR2. So I need to do some
Yeah.
to push this code as a new project. So that's why I was not able to do. Tomorrow I will do that.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.